especially in what I do. I always go into my mum's and, you know, I talk to them about that we're here together, try to get a cultural habit going in our group, and that we're here together to support each other. It's not just about exercise, it's about your mind, your body, everything, your whānau and everything. So, yeah, so we've done a little bit of a song that we're going to sing that we've just made up ourselves. And my voice goes croaky because I'm a real sook. And it gets a bit emotional.
So we might be following her because she's got the tune.
So if we get a bit croaky, just up the ears. Okay, here we go. Okay, ready? Okay. Head to whānau, support each other, no more struggle, 'cause I'm sinking. Tears of pain, of lonely truth. My heart is darkened without you, 'cause I'm sinking. Whānau is the key. Kororo api, mana enhance each other, you're not alone.